welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $500 no deposit bonus for you to start trading your forex account without you having to deposit and without you having to verify your KYC before you can be able to get this account. And also, I'll be showing you the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Yes, you heard me right. You can be able to withdraw your profit as soon as you are able to meet with their requirements. Where to get the requirements you have to meet in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit will be discussed in the middle of this video or before the end of this video. Alright, all you just have to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the very end, because I will be showing you the step-by-step processes that you can use to get this free $500 no deposit bonus for you to start trading in 2025 without you having to deposit. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I will be motivated to keep on dropping no deposit bonuses and free profit accounts for you guys to claim so that you can start trading with ease in 2025. And also, once you are done watching this video and you are able to claim yours, don't forget to drop a comment below that you have been able to claim yours so that the rest can know that we are not joking. All right, so the link to get this bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. The first thing you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section, click on the link, and you will be redirected back to my Telegram channel. And from my Telegram channel, you'll be brought to this interface. Once you get to this interface, as you can see, the next thing for you to do is for you to fill in your first name, your email, your phone number, the country you are from, and fill in this box. And once you are done, click on open account. So let me just do mine and I will continue to show you on what next to do. So now, as you can see, your application for the startup bonus is processing. You will receive an email notification. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email, because your login details and what you need in order for you to be able to proceed in getting your bonus will be sent to your email. So right now, let's go to our email straight up and see what we are going to find there. As you can see right here on the screen, this is our no deposit bonus login details that we are going to be using to log in on our MT4 Trader app for us to start trading with our free no deposit bonus of $500. So now I will be showing you how you can use these credentials to log in on your MT4 Trader app and start trading your bonus. Alright, so the next thing you have to do is to copy your account login. The reason why I'm blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. So once you get to this interface, all you have to do is to search for the name of the server, which is Instant Forex singapore.com. Make sure it is singapore.com. So make sure that you copy it, and what you copied the other time, make sure that you paste it in here and go back to your email to copy the password. So once you are done copying the password, the next thing for you to do is to go back to your MetaTrader 4 and paste the password in there. So once you are done, the next thing for you to do is to click on sign in. As you can see, it is already connecting right now. And the next thing for you to do is to wait for the next thing. And as you can see right here on our screen, we have been credited and we have been able to log in our bonus account. And as you can see, this is $500 on our screen. You can now start trading. So now that we are done claiming our free $500 no deposit bonus, the next thing for us to do is to talk about the terms and conditions that you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. And as you can see, this bonus is only meant for new traders. All right, new traders. If you know that you have been able to claim this bonus before, you can't claim it again. And bonus details, $500 will be credited into your account. No deposit required. Trading requirements: trade 3 lot sites for every $1 of profit to withdraw. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and for full terms and conditions, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thank you guys for watching.